Hello, my name is James, and I'm a librarian at the University of Alabama. Today we're going to look at the options for captions on streaming film databases from the library. Today we're going to look at the closed caption options in 4 databases: Swank Motion Pictures, Films on Demand, Education and Video, and Canopy. While captioning works similarly in each of these databases, the interfaces are slightly different, and some databases will have more features than others. To get to our streaming media databases, we'll go to the Databases page, and under the menu labeled All Database Types, select Video. First, we'll look at Swank Motion Pictures. You can scroll to find a movie, or search for one here. To see the caption options in Swank Motion Pictures, you'll need to start the film first. Once the film is playing, you'll look for a gear icon in the bottom right corner of the movie display. Click on the icon to see the caption options for the movie you've selected. Next, we'll look at Films on Demand. We're going to select a video to see what the captioning options are. How about Life at 7? At a glance, we can see 2 options that Films on Demand provides to support viewing captions for the film. The first option is on the viewing frame itself, the CC button. This button will toggle closed captions for the video you're viewing. Clicking on the button will give you the language options for the current video. For this video, we have English as the subtitle option. Films on Demand also provides transcripts for its captioned videos. The transcript shows a comprehensive running list of all the captions of the film. It's searchable, so if you're looking for a keyword, you can search to see where it occurs in the video. Also, you can click a line of the video and it will take you to that moment in the film. Our next database, Education and Video, is representative of the film streaming offerings from Alexander Street Press, which should all work the same way as this database. Let's search for the video we want to find. Once we find it, click on the title and it will take us to the viewing page. At a glance, the viewing page, while different from Films on Demand, is overall very similar. The option to enable closed captioning is once again located in the viewing pane for the video. As with Films on Demand, Alexander Street Press videos have a running transcript that is searchable. The last database we'll look at today is Canopy Film Streaming Service. We'll select a movie to start with, and you can see at a glance if a movie has closed captioning available. Once we start the film, the CC icon in the viewing pane becomes available, and we can see the closed caption options for the film. Canopy has a transcript as well. Mouse over More below the viewing pane, and you can see the transcript option. Click it to bring up the transcript. While these are the closed caption options for these different film platforms, you can always go to the Help or Support section of a database to see how that particular platform handles closed captions. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, contact us or visit ask.lib.ua.edu to ask a librarian.